clean line-out win as Kinatali gets it across to Koimaboli. Back to Kinatali once more. Now Little. Tuolangi under no pressure whatsoever. And he'd like to run at them. He likes to take the opposition on and gets rid of his opposite number, no problem. Yoniba and Samoa out into midfield. Nice hands, could open up here. A real opportunity as